So here's a quick guide how you can display testimonial images using this free and affordable tool called Famewall.io. So once you're inside Famewall, you can create a wall, which is basically going to be a project which holds all your testimonials in one place. So you can use one particular wall for one campaign and another wall for a different campaign. So let me get inside a wall. And I already have testimonials which are already existing. In case you don't have, you can import them from the different 30 plus platforms which you have available over here. Or you can also collect testimonials from your customers using this collection page link. So there's the option to customize this and ask for text, video, audio, or even image testimonials. There's plenty of customization options regarding what type of questions you can ask your customers. So let me show you how I can display the testimonial images now. So once I head over to my testimonials, you can click on a specific testimonial and click on generate image. So once you have this, you have different templates you can choose from, be it this template or this one or this one. So you can also toggle in the dark mode, and I can also disable the highlights if I've already highlighted them. And here, since I'm having a testimonial image in the background color won't work. So in case I don't want this testimonial image, I can delete it and I can change the background color here. If I want some gradient style, I can do this as well. So it has a gradient effect in the background. Let me change testimonial type. And as you can see here, there's plenty of options to play with. You can increase and decrease the transparency. You can also increase the testimonial size as you see fit. And you can also add the custom background image like we saw before. And once you're done, you can download the image. For now, I'm going to use this image in an email newsletter. So I'll use this LinkedIn format and download the image. If you want to save this as a preset, you can also use this in case you want to quickly use that particular settings to quickly download images in the future. So now I have the testimonial image downloaded. Let me get over to the email. And here I have composed a demo email which I'll be sending. And let me add the testimonial image after this. So let me click on upload. And I'll add the testimonial image which I have downloaded from Famewall. So here, as you can see, the testimonial image gets embedded. You can shrink the size and this will act as social proof. In fact, you can use these images across different platforms, be it social media or even your email newsletters, and increase conversions. This is a pretty good way of using your testimonials in your marketing and getting more sales. I hope this quick video was useful. I'll see you soon in another helpful video. Bye.